Viewer subscription is advised.
Going anywhere. We've had a little bit of melting each day this week as temperatures have gotten above freezing. They'll get above freezing again today before the bottom really falls out in time for tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be one of the coldest days we have felt in years, and our next weather alert will go into effect overnight and continue through Monday morning for this dangerous cold. The worst of it is tomorrow. Now, temperature wise, we may have our coldest actual air temperature on Monday morning, but when you factor in the wind chills, that's what your body responds to, and tomorrow is the coldest it's going to feel. Winds could gust as high as 50 to 60 miles per hour, depending on your location tomorrow. That will take those air temperatures, which will be in the single digits at times in many spots tomorrow, even during the day. And you got to knock off 20, even 30 degrees from that when winds are quite that strong. So wind chills could be as cold as 15 below zero, even around the city through the day tomorrow and into Sunday morning. So while it's a cold morning out there right now, step outside in Allentown right now, 8 degrees. That may be our high tomorrow, or the warmest we get in the afternoon there. 8 degrees right now. It's 3 in Mount Pocono. Notice the feels like temps, though, running pretty close to the actual air temperatures, so we're not really getting that wind chill effect. It's a cold morning, but it is calm for now. Clouds are going to roll in as the day goes on, and we will have the chance for a few scattered snow showers or flurries later on this evening. That comes in out ahead of the main cold front. So here's what that looks like. You see this little band of snow showers breaking out in western Pennsylvania. That's what we may see this evening. So if you have dinner plans out on the town and you're going out around 6 to 8 p.m., you may see some scattered snow showers. This is the actual Arctic front with snow squalls moving through portions of Indiana, western Ohio this morning. That gets here overnight with the best chance for any light accumulations. Looks like less than an inch for all of us, but that would happen around 2 or 3 in the morning. So wind alerts. Let's talk about the winds tomorrow. Wind advisory has been issued. All these areas shaded in this kind of gold color. That allows for gusts to 50 miles per hour. Where you see that maroon, that's a high wind warning, allowing for gusts as high as 60 miles per hour. That can cause power outages. That's strong enough to bring down branches, to bring down those power lines. Last thing we need, because we've got the extreme cold, you need the heat. And if your heat runs off electric, that could be a problem, certainly. Cold alerts, extreme cold warning in effect through Sunday morning. What is an extreme cold warning? Let's talk about the criteria for the National Weather Service to issue this. Where you see this kind of blue color, Philadelphia, South Jersey, Delaware, you issue an extreme cold warning when the temperature or wind chill can get down below -10. For the Poconos and the Lehigh Valley, an extreme cold warning is put into effect basically when the temperature or wind chill goes below -20. That's how cold we're talking for tomorrow, especially into Sunday morning. So here is that first round of scattered flurries and snow showers this evening. Overnight tonight, we get a better chance for some steadier squalls. And if you're driving through this, if you have to be out on the roads at 2 or 3 in the morning, very low visibility with these as well. Wind-driven whiteout conditions with the snow falling. Once those move through, look at this. Temperatures could drop quickly to the single digits by tomorrow morning. We may rebound to about 12 in the afternoon. So our high is kind of misleading. You don't want to look at the high temperature for tomorrow because we'll likely hit that at midnight before the front comes in. In the afternoon, the highest we're going to hope for is about 12 degrees tomorrow. We're not talking a lot of snow with these squalls, maybe an inch in the Poconos, possibly a dusting or a half an inch around the city. That could lead to some slick conditions on the roads, but the bigger headline is the cold. Wind chills tomorrow, double digits below zero all day long. Brutal and dangerous cold into Sunday morning. And then with the winds dying down a bit Sunday, at least those feels like temps will get back into the plus side, but still only single digit wind chills on Sunday and Monday. 5 degrees in the morning, but then some good news. It doesn't last as long as the last cold snap. We'll be back to seasonable. We may even hit 40 by Tuesday.